So tonight we have the rare pleasure. Big Block Dave has stopped by.
Hi.
So what do we got here, Dave?
It's my 74 Corvette. It's an original big block 4-speed car. I've owned it for 11 years. And the original LS4 is now sitting in my garage, and I've got another 454 in it. And it's still a 4-speed. It was a 5-speed for a little while. Interior in the car I redid back in probably 2011, somewhere in that ballpark.
I don't know if I noticed the wheels since you put it on there in person. Looks really good.
Oh, thank you.
I like that.
It changed last, I don't know, December probably.
Oh, that feels good.
It's very gushy.
There's a nice grip.
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
I'll pop the hood so you can get that too.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and I don't think I've seen under here in a while either. Yeah, looking real nice.
Thank you.
So you got the black cap on there.
Yeah,
MSD,
black wires
right?
too.
Those are the new wires, right?
So it doesn't look like a tangled mess of nonsense.
Yeah, that's good. Nice and neat. These are the kind you had to cut and make.
It's the only way to fly.
Yeah.
And when you buy the set that come done, you get one that's way too long, one that's slightly too short.
They never fit right.
Exactly.
Everything's all tucked in there.
Oh, sure. Someday when I get bored, that air conditioning's going to work too.
Yeah. Gotta have that.
But I got to be really bored for that to happen.
Yeah. I mean, you might have to switch out the compressor
Just
or
watch
something.
your legs
Who
with
knows?
the pipes.
Thank you.
You will get burned.
Oh, yes. What filter is that? Air filter.
Believe it or not, that's an Edelbrock. Their Pro Flow series. I got it because it was a lot cheaper than the K&N.
Looks good.
It may or may not filter as good, I have no idea, but it took a lot less out of my wallet. So.
I feel like I just saw that same filter in an article in Hot Rod magazine, because I was like, I noticed it had this.
The white stripe.
The white stripe,
the clean strip.
Yeah. Yeah, very good.
Would you like to go for a ride for your video?
Sure.
If you
Might as well, right?
able to, I don't know if you're,
I'll go for a quick ride.
Oh, sure.
Okay. Action.
Ooh.
Make a to that spot at Oakdale, there was a guy with a generation like this. He had his back glass out. Is that like an optional thing, or
68 to 72, I think that's that.
yeah?
Where it's removable. There's one light. There we go. Come on.
Sounds so good. Go past the light and then make a left. Something like the block after. Keep going. Next block up there. All right, very cool, very cool.
Thank you.
Love it. Loving it.
Better watch your legs.
Yes, thanks. It's running great. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Looking real good too.
Thank you very much.
All right, Dave. Thanks for stopping by this evening.
I'll see you later.